Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to automate lot or batch selection during billing in Logic ERP, making your billing process faster, smoother, and error-free. Let's get started. Head to the Sales Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here, you will find the option labeled as a lot selection, which includes 6 available parameters. Let's explore each of these parameters one by one. Let's begin with the manual lot selection option. This option allows users to manually select the lot for a particular transaction or process. Let's move to the second parameter, Auto Pick First Lot, Sale Items. This feature ensures that software automatically picks the first available lot for sale transactions only. For sale return transactions, the system will not auto-pick the first lot. Instead, it shows the lot search list, allowing users to manually select the correct lot that was actually sold earlier. Let's observe the functionality while sale and sale return. As you can see, the system automatically picks the first lot. In the case of Auto Pick First Lot, the system picks lots based on the FIFO, first in, first out, method, giving priority to the lots that were purchased first. Now let's observe the working during the sale return item. As observed, the software is now displaying the lot search window, allowing the user to select the correct lot associated with the return. Let's proceed with the third parameter, Auto Pick if it's a single lot. This option is used to automatically select the lot during billing when only a single lot is available for the item. Moving on to the fourth parameter, Auto Pick First Lot, All Items. This option ensures that, in both sales and sales returns transactions, the first available lot is automatically picked by the software. The software automatically picks the first available lot during sales transactions. Let's observe its functionality during sales return. Similarly, during sales returns, the software follows the same process by automatically selecting the first available lot. Let us now have a glimpse of the fifth parameter, Auto Pick the First Lot, Skip Stock Items. This option ensures that the system automatically selects the first available lot for items marked as Do Not Affect Stock in the Item Master. For normal stock items, the lot search window will be displayed for selection. Let's proceed with transacting an item that has been marked as Do Not Affect Stock in the Item Master. As observed, the system automatically selects the first available lot for items marked as Do Not Affect Stock. Let us now transact a normal stock item. For normal stock items, the lot search window will be displayed for selection. Let's have a glimpse of the functionality of the same option while sales return. During the sales return process for an item marked as Do Not Affect Stock, the software prompts the lot selection window. Now, let's enter the sales return for the normal stock item. It has also been observed that the lot selection window appears during the sale return entry process. Moving on to the last parameter, Auto Pick if a single lot or same MRP. This option enables the software to automatically pick the lot when only one lot is available or when multiple lots exist with the same MRP. In such cases, if all available lots have the same MRP, the system will pick the first lot. Let's proceed with transacting an item. As observed, the software automatically picked the lot because there was a single lot for the item. Let's transact another item. As observed, the software picks up the first lot because all available lots have the same MRP. Let's proceed to save this bill and then observe the functionality of the same feature during the sales return process. It has been observed that during a sale return, when only a single lot is available, the software displays the lot selection window, allowing the user to select the lot manually. As observed, when multiple lots exist with the same MRP, the system automatically selects the first available lot.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.